welcome back to my channel. Now when traveling in Vietnam or in Hoi An, what is the most standout things that you see when you walk or drive in the street? Yes, it's street food. Street food everywhere. And I guess that you will always ask yourself, what is this thing? Is it made out of dog meat or anything? And some of you will want to try, but you don't know what is that, so you don't dare to try. So don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some of the street food in Hoi An, Vietnam. For example, today I am here at the Bánh Căn street food. So what is Bánh Căn? Let's follow me inside. Okay, so where to find this Bánh Căn? If you walk around Hoi An, you will see so many street vendors selling Bánh Căn like this. But if you want the exact address for those street vendors, please see below in the description. I will write all the information of this street vendor for you to, it's easy to find. I just finished ordered. Now I'm gonna sit here on the typical red chair and red table, as you can see everywhere in every street food in Vietnam, and try this beautiful dish and tell you how. The most important thing is chili jam, very popular in central of Vietnam. In the center of Vietnam, we eat quite spicy, so chili jam is the must thing to have in every meal. Okay, I'm gonna add it later to my dish. Raw chili and garlic. So don't be surprised if you come into the street food vendor and you see a local man just eat it raw like this. We eat really spicy. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little chopstick, make it equal. People say that if you have not equal chopstick, you will get bad luck. So I'm trying to get there. Usually, in the dish like this, the seller always adds the pork roll and the fermented pork roll into the dish. You can try the taste. This pink little square thing is fermented pork roll, so it's not cooked. So be aware if you want to eat this thing in Vietnam. If your stomach is not, you're not sure that your stomach can handle this, then be aware. But the taste is interesting. Sour. You don't get a taste of the meat at all, but very sour. In Vietnam, people eat it when they drink it. I like this a lot. This thing is not sour at all, and it's really tasty. Vietnam, and I have to rate from 1 to 10. I will rate this dish 8. After eating the Bánh Căn, I will show you the second most popular street food in Vietnam after Bánh Mì. And I'm sure when I mention about this, a lot of you will get so excited. That is the famous Chè. Chè is the term to call those kind of sweet dessert or pudding in Vietnam, and we have so many kind of chè khoai môn, chè đậu xanh, chè luộc tàu xá, chè đậu đỏ, chè trôi nước, so many of them. And now I will go inside and see how many kinds she have, and then orders the one that I like. The chè everywhere in every corner of the street in Hoi An or in Vietnam. The price for the cup or the bowl of chè like this is usually from 5 to 10,000 dong. In Hoi An, you can find it on the outside the old town or even inside the old town. So if you come to Vietnam or come to Hoi An, let's give it a try and tell me what you think. So after order, I am back here again with those small typical red chair in the Vietnamese street food vendor. red bean, chè, and corn, and on the top there are coconut cream. Now I will try it and then we'll tell you how it tastes. It's sweet and there's slightly taste of ginger because when they cook the meat or the coconut cream, they add a little bit more ginger to make the flavor more interesting. In Vietnam, chè is our most famous dessert after every lunch or dinner. In the summer, you can choose chè with ice, or in the winter, you can choose some chè without ice. And even though it doesn't look very beautiful, and it's cooked by weird ingredients like mung beans, red beans, corn, coconut cream, and sometimes with dumplings, but I think it's very worth it to try. Very healthy and natural kind of dessert. Good for health. My video here about some street foods in Vietnam is finished, and if you like the video, please subscribe and like, and if you want to say something about my video, please comment below and let me know. Well, see you in the next video. Bye.